Here's a preview of the Align tool available in EdgeWise 5.2. The Align tool functions similar to Extend, except it works off of 2 target surfaces instead of 1, and adjusts both the length and the height of the selected objects. There are 2 align modes, top of steel and bottom of steel, which affect how the selected structural objects are aligned. Of course, it also works with multiple selections and sloped target surfaces. When using the Align tool, the opposite end of the structural object is anchored. The exact position of the anchor point changes depending on the Align mode, ensuring that the opposite top or bottom of steel endpoint, depending on your selection, is always fixed. The Align tool is also useful for small alignments, which are tedious by hand. Thanks for watching.